Hello folks, welcome to Kick Out TV where we look at all the fun stuff. Welcome back to the series of unboxing videos. We have just done the Wi-Fi card unboxing. If you've not watched that video, go back and watch it. Now we're going to do unboxing of the Wi-Fi bracket for the desktop PC, which I'm going to build here. And it's on the other side of the table here. I'm just going to take it. This is the box, and I'm going to open it right now. I'll tell you why I bought this thing. Because this thing is actually really nice. And sorry for all the trash and unboxing trash here, because I've done a lot of unboxing videos. I'm not really gonna clean it up because it's kind of fun seeing all these unboxing videos. But this is a full series of unboxing videos. So if you've not watched all the previous unboxing videos, go back and watch it. Wow, look at this. Have you ever seen people wrap the box like this? They like basically put like plastic all over the place. Look at this. I'm just gonna unbox this myself. Yeah. Look, I told the seller in China, I said, hey, if you're gonna wrap my packaging, please do it properly. So that the packaging doesn't break during transit. And I think they did a really good job to get the stuff packaged properly. Sorry, I'm still trying to cut this thing open because it's really hard with all this cellophane tape. Alright folks, we got it open. Oh, look at that. Ta-da! So I just ripped the box open because you put all this cellophane tape. I can unbox the box. Look, they put this padding. Thank you so much, seller, for making sure my content arrives in one piece. So we have the box here. So what is it actually? Well, it's the Wi-Fi bracket for the desktop PC, and it comes in a very big thing. Okay, take it here. This is the chip. Okay, so this is the bracket, and a lot of people don't know that for a desktop computer you can buy this chip, like this PCB board, which actually connects the Wi-Fi card onto it, and it has two slots for antenna for data transmission, Wi-Fi 6, Wi-Fi 7, and we have this antenna lines here. It looks like this. Is the power connector, the PCI-E pins here for you put it on the motherboard, and you see this slot here. So I already done the unboxing video of the Wi-Fi card, so actually I'm just gonna show you why I put it. So you can put it like this, and then you can actually connect it to the computer, and you get Wi-Fi 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, you know. You can always upgrade your Wi-Fi card so you can get the better Wi-Fi connection or the Wi-Fi speed and bandwidth. So that's why I like you to do it, because you can upgrade it yourself. You don't have to rely on the brands out there to buy their product. It's so expensive. You can just always upgrade it by buying the chip. And Intel has done this so that it's easier for people like us who know about computers to do it the simple and easy way. And if you're like a car mechanic, like if you repair cars, you should also know that, you know, if you know about cars, you can also repair your cars. If you know your stuff, you can repair your car, change the turbo, the tires and everything. So the same stuff. In computers, same stuff. You got to know the hardware, and then you can actually upgrade it. So thank you so much for whoever did the design. It's really helpful for all of us who are building computers, just like mechanics who build cars or repair cars. So this is one of the parts of the one of the parts here. I'm just gonna put it here because I don't really have space anymore. Yeah. What else did we get? Yeah, in this package also I got the antenna. Let's have a look. I have two actually. This one, really nice antenna. This is a 10 dB antenna. It's like the gaming one for Asus. I think they said it was an Asus antenna. I don't know if it's right or wrong, but this is a 10 dB antenna. You just screw it here like that. Really good coverage, really good transmission. I get Jew, which is very nice. And he gave me the power cable. This power cable, you connect it here like that, and then this one goes to the motherboard. Okay, and we also get a heatsink, Wi-Fi network adapter heatsink, so the Wi-Fi card doesn't overheat when you're playing games and you're using for maybe streaming 4K 8 video, 4K video, 8K. So we're coming to the end of the video. So if you like this content, like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Pretty simple stuff. Yep, we're gonna go to the next unboxing video of the motherboard. So we're gonna look at the motherboard quick, then we're gonna do the power supply, and then the last one we're doing the case. So give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.